So if you are using Jarvis right now and you want to have the optimization of your content also with Jarvis, then this is the video that you should actually look for, because I'm going to show you a quick video here where I'll show you how you can have SEO Surfer with Jarvis alongside, so that your content is having that punch that needs to drive it to Google page 1. As always, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. So without much ado, let's jump into it. This is Sonit from Techie. Okay, so I am onto my screen right now and I am logged into my Jarvis here. Okay, so I am onto any of my contents, say. So I am onto this content and now I want to also use SEO Surfer. So in case you have not seen the SEO Surfer, the full detailed walkthrough of SEO Surfer, the link is somewhere showing on the top here. So please make sure that you watch the SEO Surfer also after watching this video. Now, if you are having SEO Surfer and if you are also having the Jarvis, and also for Jarvis, I have an affiliate link just below this. So if you wish to take Jarvis and if you have not yet taken it, please consider taking it through my affiliate link so that I actually get a kickback and it will not cost you any dollar extra. Okay, so now here I am onto Jarvis and you see one feature that is coming here as the SEO mode. Okay, so if I click this SEO mode and you are logged into your SEO Surfer, I am logged into my SEO Surfer here and I come to Jarvis here, and then you will see that if you already had that particular keyword searched in SEO Surfer, I'll not go through that now because I already have that video, so it will be almost same. So please watch that, how you can actually search the keyword and have your article or the editor prepared, okay, the content editor prepared using SEO Surfer. Once you have that, it actually shows you that keyword here, and it will now show you how well you are optimized. So just see, it's the strength of Jarvis writing the automation or the automated content for you, and as well as you have the SEO Surfer with you. And honestly, speaking friends, I mean, this is really an investment, I would say. But if you're really serious about your blogging, then you would need these two tools with you handy so that it helps you in your SEO journey. And I can actually help you out with either of these tools. So comment and let me know what all questions you have about Jarvis or about SEO Server. I'll definitely try to answer them and helping you take decisions on that. But if you have taken that step and if you are using it, please also let me know. I'll really be happy to know that you guys have taken that action and you are action takers. Okay, so you can see here that I have optimized well till 47. This is moderate, this is not very good. I need to now target and make sure that I actually go to that green bar. So once I go to the green bar, it means that all the ones, if I click on that gear, you can see that these are the articles that are already ranking for that keyword, and I need to make sure that I rank better than any of these articles to make sure that it comes up within that 10. Okay, now here again you can see that it gives you this toggling feature that if you do not want a particular website which Surfer thinks that it is well optimized, so that is why it will take those into consideration while finding the terms for you. So if you feel that you do not want to include that, you can go ahead and untoggle it, and you can toggle the one that you feel that you want to consider that for your writing. But again, as I am repeating in all of my videos, please do not copy and paste contents from these articles and write it onto your article, because that will not help, because Google is quite intelligent and it will consider as duplicate article, not something that is unique. So you have to find something unique to be there in your article, but at the same time you need to ensure that you have the contents there which are using these terms that the SEO Surfer is recommending. Now, how do you actually integrate? So for integration of this, you need to first contact SEO Surfer, their support, and also Jarvis, and let them know that you have both the tools and how you want to integrate. They will definitely help you out in that integration. But I'll also show you actually how you can go ahead and do it. So if I go back here and I go to my settings in Jarvis, you can see the gear button that is there on the left below part of my screen. If I go here, you would find that there is this section called Surfer SEO. You have to toggle this on, and just by doing this will not help. You also have to let their customer service know that you have taken SEO Surfer and you would want to integrate this. And with this, you can also go ahead and use the dark mode, which is good for your eyes, and you have the language defaults also. So if you want to go for translation, then you can see here that you have the output languages in different other languages that are there. Okay, so most of the languages are covered here, but if you are from India, if you are watching this, then definitely Hindi is not here. But other than that, if you are Polish, if you are French, Spanish, whatever languages you can see here, you will see that those languages are getting translated. So your input language will be English, and this will be the translated language. So if you like my video, please consider also subscribing to my channel. And also, if you feel that you need either of these tools, there is the links that are there right there in the description and also on the screen right there. Please consider taking to that. That helps me running this channel. Thank you so much. Till the next time. Bye bye.